Now we have a working table. We've updated everything and we've checked every single row, so everything looks and feels correct. The next step is going to be migrating out of the table because everything is corrected, and we're going to actually use a prompt to build the first iteration of our core resume, at which point then we can start crafting some really interesting bullet points. So let's get started. We're going to go to our table. I'm just going to copy everything that's in there, Control copy, and I am going to throw it into DeepSeek. And now I need to grab the prompt. So this prompt is going to help with the formatting and normalizing of all the information so we have a place to work from in terms of work experience. Copy, and I'll throw it at the very top. Now, I've since adjusted this prompt just slightly because I got crazy confused on the nature of a project section that was not part of the table. It happens. Prompting is like a mix of art and science, and ultimately the output is slightly different, so I would adjust the prompt, which is now fixed, but this is just part of the game. So we're going to copy everything here. Again, with your version, you'll have projects added in there, and all of the line breaks that are actual line segments will be removed because I've adjusted the prompt. I'm going to copy that, and I am going to paste that into my ongoing work in progress, uh, basically resume template. Eventually, this will make way for a lot of projects that we're going to throw in there, but we're really focused on making sure that at the very least we've collected the information in the right way so that we can build on top of it later. What you should have at the end of this looks a lot closer to what you're seeing here. So you have each job separated out, you have bullet points from pre-existing resumes, and then a project section. This will allow us to get a lot closer as we move forward with additional iterations of the resume.